Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to convert image into editable text. So first of all, go to Google search bar, type here to image to text, select the first option, go to link, click on to image, now successfully upload to image. After that, click on here. Now it will be processing. Okay, and then click on to download option. Okay, now done. So that's how we can easily convert image into editable text. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial review channel for more video.